Hello, I'm Terry Antley. I'm with Bekaert. I'm a tax partner here in the Greenville office, and I'm welcoming Jim.
Thank you. I'm Jim Kaplan, and I'm the president of Cornell Dubilier, and we're a capacitor manufacturer in Liberty, South Carolina.
So Jim, tell me a little bit about how Bekaert in the past has gone the extra mile to serve you and your business.
Well, there was a time we were doing a transaction. We were buying a company from a Japanese, it was a manufacturing company from a Japanese company, and it had to be done very quickly. It was if memory serves me correctly, we had to close in 3 weeks. There was some issues, I forgot the issues were, but they agreed to the deal. They'd already shut the plant down. And we opened it back up, and they said, if you do it in 3 weeks, we'll sell it to you at a good price. So there really wasn't any time to get an international transaction done in 3 weeks. It was very difficult. And I remember, again, our lead auditor, Aaron, went to Tennessee with our CFO and counted inventory because we couldn't get people in place because it had to get done so quickly. And we needed somebody qualified to do it. And Aaron said, I'll go to Tennessee. And he and our CFO went to Tennessee, did a physical inventory by themselves, and we closed in 3 weeks.
That's amazing.
That's amazing.